Good evening, everyone. Hello.
Good evening.
Welcome to today's panel discussion. My name is Zainab Nabila, and I'm honored to be your moderator for this topic. Our discussion today focus on a relevant topic: social media connecting or dividing society. Social media, the great connector or the great divider. I'm your moderator today, and I promise to keep the discussion lively and maybe just a teeny bit funny. You won't fall asleep halfway, okay? We're joined today by our amazing guest Yuni, who is here to share her thoughts and experiences about this fascinating topic. So Yuni, would you please start by sharing your opinion?
Okay, thank you, moderator. I personally believe that social media connect people in many wonderful ways. It allows us to communicate instantly with friends and family, no matter where they are. For example, I can easily stay in touch with my relatives living abroad. We do video call, share photos, and celebrate birthday together, even from miles away. Social media also help us to learn new things. I follow educational page and online communities that share information about science, language, and mental health. So yes, in many ways, it's really bring people together. Anyway, Zainab, what do you think about what I said? Do you agree that social media mostly connect us?
That's lovely example, Uni. I can relate my once saying my food picture every day on WhatsApp. I think that's a kind connection too. Although it made me hungry all the time. Well, I do agree with Uni to some extent, but also think social media can divide society. Sometimes people use it irresponsible to spread misinformation, hate, or even fake news. This thing can lead to conflict and misunderstanding. For example, during electional global issue, I often see people fighting in comment section. Instead of listening, they argue and attack each other. So I think while social media has the power to connect, it also has the potential to divide. You know how you like respond to that?
That's a valid concern, Dana. I agree that social media can bring people together, but it can also create problems. False information and hate speech can spread so fast on social media. To stop this, people need to learn about digital literacy. They should check whether that information is true before they sharing it. And of course, social media companies should work harder to detect and remove harmful content.
Yes, digital literally that's a key word. Maybe we should have a fact check before you post campaign, or maybe a big button they say, "Are you sure you want to share this rumor?" Mishuni, I think another problem is that people tend to follow only those who think like them. It's like living inside an echo chamber. They only hear opinion that match their own, which makes them less open to different perspectives. This makes people more divided and less tolerant toward others.
That's a good point, Zainab. Maybe the key is not only about the social media, but in how we use it. We need to be a responsible and wise user. We must have the courage to stand up when something is wrong, like bullying or hate speech, and not just stay silent or follow the crowd. If everyone learned to double check the information and respect other opinions, social media can truly be bridge and not a wall.
Yes, beautiful said, Uni. I think that's something we all need to remember: being kind and responsible online. Imagine how peaceful the internet will be if everyone used emojis instead on insult. In my opinion, social media is a double engine word. It can connect us. Apa ya? It can connect us or divide us depending on how we use it. If we use it wisely for learning, for sharing positive message, and for building relationship, it's become a great connector.
I agree with that. Social media is a tool, and like any tool, it depends on the person who uses it. So let's use the social media to share kindness, knowledge, and empathy rather than hate or lies.
Yes, that's perfect way to end our discussion. Thank you so much, Miss Yuni, for sharing your brilliant ideas and thoughtful opinions. So conclude, social media can indeed connect or divide us. The difference lies in our behavior and awareness as user. The best way to use social media is to stay careful, kind, and respectful. Thank you everyone for listening, and remember, before you post, think twice. Your thumbs are powerful weapons of peace or chaos. Goodbye everyone. Thank you. Maybe we
Goodbye.
should.
Thank you.